alarm clock modeling in Maya. This is the reference I have taken from online, and also I have listed the number of components present in this model. Around 10 components, even smaller components like legs, even bell connector, alarm on and off, these handles, hours, minutes and seconds, even the numbers, body, this entire body, like that. It's always better to list out the components to model so that you will get a clear picture of how much time it takes, and you can judge roughly how much time to complete this model. As a beginner, if you go like this, for example, if you spend 15 minutes on this, if you spend 5 minutes on this, something like that, you can easily calculate around roughly that 1 hour to 2 hours it may take for you. But I try to complete this in around 30 minutes. Try to follow, and you can definitely learn a lot from this model, and which will be useful for you in your other 3D modeling projects. This is a tutorial, don't expect I am going to spend on fine details, because I want to show the overall process of creating all these things, because it takes at least minimum 1 hour to 1.5 hours, but I want to finish it in roughly 20 minutes. So bear with me till the end and you will enjoy the tutorial. First I want to create the base plate. Create Polygon primitives, cylinder, this is what we need. Make this 0, and we need more number of subdivision axes, 32 or 30, and I want to rotate this like this 90 degrees, and I want to keep it minus 90 degrees. It's okay. This is the size of the rough size of this thing. Select all the faces, vertices, and scale it up. Insert edge loop tool, insert an edge loop here, and select the edge and pull it down so that this is a little bit looking like that. There is something like this. It is something like this, it is looking. That is what. You can insert one more edge loop. Scale it up. See, you are getting the front shape. Just select the faces, these faces, hold down Control and select. Remaining things will be deselected. Hold down Control and deselect like this. So I want these things to go inside little bit. G is the shortcut for last used tool. This is where we have the glass kind of thing. Let's see, something like this. We don't want these many faces. We will insert edge loop tool, insert edge loop, scale it up, get this as okay. This is how it is coming. Click 3, 1. We need to use the bevel tool here. Bevel, edit mesh, bevel. This is 0.2 segments. 2 segments I want. Three, 1. One more insert edge loop tool. One more time, insert edge loop tool here. 3. Now it is going to look sharp. See, inside part. And if you want sharp here, you have to insert one more time, insert edge loop tool. Ctrl Z. Three, something like that. 1, insert edge loop tool. See, I'm using the same tools again and again. Extrude, insert edge loop tool, bevel, because they are the tools most commonly used in polygon modeling. This is what I will settle for the body. This is what is the body. Now I want to create because I don't have how it is going to look in the back side, so don't worry. Now I will create the inside parts, the numbers, the small indications. I'll create the numbers first, small indications. Create polygon primitives, little bit cube, 4. This is this much cube. X-axis 0. Once if you make it like this and keep it there, this one, for clarification I'm adding the color, blend and black, and we need to keep the pivot point in the center so that we can rotate it. click on insert, again insert, Control D, -90, Shift D, Shift D. We created 4, and we need to make this smaller ones. We need for every 5 minutes. Control D, modify center pivot, make it little bit smaller, and insert again, keep the pivot point here, insert, Control D, we need roughly 12. We use duplicate special. It has to rotate on Z-axis, rotate on Z-axis 360 degrees, (30°), copies 12, instance, apply. See, it created like this, big, they are black color. We need to insert edge loop tool, make it small, extrude the face, rotate this -90, and we keep it on the floor. And create torus. We want to increase the number of eight by 8. Radius to be small. Something like this. We need to bridge those two. Select these faces, and extrude. Scale down. Delete the faces. We need to have more edges. Insert edge loop tool on this. So that we will have enough edges to attach. Delete 5. Now we need to combine these two objects first and merge the vertices to the center. Edit merge vertice to center. G is the shortcut. So you are merging. For wireframe mode, you can select like this: G, 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 and G. Bring this up 5. Object mode. We need to apply the color to this. Click on 3. See, it looks like this. We need to apply insert edge loop tool to make it sharp. 3. Window rendering editors hypershade. We apply the black color to this. This is what we are going to. You are going to learn about this in next sessions. See, we created a needle. Just we will duplicate this and we'll make 3 versions. I'm not exactly sticking to this, but you try to understand the concept. We can do that. Insert edge loop tool, different color to this, that is for seconds. This is minutes. Control D. Little bit vertices. Scale down, move down. Okay. Now we need to keep these 3 here. Before that, I want to make a small cylinder like axis. duplicate, even these has to be thin. See, those minute things actually it is they take a lot of time. We need to understand that they don't have that much space to accommodate, so you try to understand. First, modify center pivot, bring it up, then rotate it minus 90. Now we have to shift and insert to adjust the pivot point to the center of this. Insert again and rotate like this. Generally they will be in this 10th part. Slowly you are getting. Rotate 90. Modify center pivot. No need of insert. Again insert. Control Z. I need to reduce the size of this because it is looking big. Four. Three. See, and this has to rotate 90 degrees. With another color, blend and red, reduce the red. See, just click on 3. So something like this you can follow. Okay, I hope you understood. if you go on creating like this, you can create the entire alarm. Already it is 30 minutes and I want to stop here and I want to continue in the next part 2. You please watch the part 2 also, so that you will get a good overview about this alarm clock modeling. Thank you.